Commercial heat press application of Attach My Patch. In this video, we will show you how to attach your patch. How to step-by-step instructions. Note you will need a commercial heat press. Bend to open the paper tab. Peel off 1/2 of the liner only. Flip the patch over. Then, using the side that's 1/2 peeled, line up with the patch shape only touching on the non-adhesive part. Reposition as needed. Once lined up, you can place and press the adhesive part. Then peel the other half of the liner away to complete the process. Next, peel off 1/2 of the paper backing on the other side and fold it over for removal later. Position and place the non-adhesive side on the garment or cap. Take your time, you should be able to reposition if needed. Now that you are in position, you can place and press the adhesive side down. Then peel away the other side and press to complete. Okay, next we're going to place the garment or cap in a pre-warmed heat press. The setting is 205 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 seconds of pressing. This step cures the adhesive and makes the attachment long-lasting. Once cured, your patch will be attached for a long time. Don't pick at it or wash the item for 48 hours. When you do wash it, use cold or warm water only. Tumble dry low or medium only. Do not dry clean. We hope you found the video helpful. Thanks for watching.